Hello to my daily vlog. What I consider before ka mag-set up ng business, especially dito sa Davao City. Okay? So first things first is important na to have a brand name because mo na mag-identify sa mga customer. They will know you because of your brand, not the owner. Kasi ang owner behind naman na siya. Number 2 is the location. First is traffic is magian ba dyan siya sa tao, sa mga kotse. At least aware sila, ay, naibang establishment. Diba? So, dali na siya makita sa mga tao. Pero other store, if it coffee shop na lang siya tuyuon. Unless nito yun mong services and food na nakituyuon ka sa mga tao. Pero if you are starting up, maka-establish yung brand, start with the location, convenient, and then with traffic. And number 3 is check the documents. Example, you're renting, i-check mo kung ito ba yung documents. Na contract of lease if you're renting, na occupancy permit, na tax declaration, na building permit. Especially sa Davao City, kaya kung nag-share sa ako ang last video sa HK Consulting. If ever dito kompleto documents, I would highly recommend na ayun na nagpasok agad. Just look for another location, even if nindot ang location. Kaya at the end of the day, losing ka sa itong capital. Number 4 is you have the capital. Okay, siyempre, kung sugod ka negosyo, wala kay capital. So, especially traditional business, medyo gasto yun na kaya napakay construction. Rather, ako na ng drawing, ako na. So, that's why murag somehow nakasave ko, murag somehow na experience the previous ako na negosyo. That's why ako na lang. So, yabot po siya mga millions. So, think, imagine how much more kung magpa-outsource ka sa mga construction company. Right? So, bago pa negosyo, I would suggest ay pangutang. Yes, anak. Kaya kung wala akong experience sa business ko, ay pangutang ka, if hindi mo siya mag-succeed. Diba? That's practicality ba sa negosyo na dealing yun all the time mag-succeed in business. So, if in case, hindi siya mag-succeed, at least wala kayo obligasyon sa mga third party responsible. Diba? Eh, kung malugi pa, at the same time, pakiutang with interest, ma-double dead ka. So, I would suggest, especially kung first business is dapat ang kainaman. If possible, ay nautang na. Siguro kung mga second branch na pwede na iutang kayo na nung experience you do. At the end of the day, ikaw yung mag-decide. Alright? That's my experience. Alright? If you don't have much time mag-register, I would suggest, especially here in Davao City or Papanab or Tago, we have a consulting firm. We also process business registrations, HK Consulting Advisory Services. So we process for you para hindi ka mahago. And boom, nanakay mayor's permit. Kung starting up ka, napakay other experience sa business, I would suggest sole lang sa kanila. Suggestion, mas easy i-set up ang sole sa DTI rather than sa corporation. Okay? Pero if you do have the knowledge, you have the understanding how to set up the business, then you have partners or shareholders, investors, I prefer as well corporations or partnerships. Then, the next thing is marketing. Without marketing, marag traditional yan po ni mong approach, marag mag-video ka. Ika naman, ang mga competitor ni mo right now is nag-ads na yun, most of them. Small business owner, ako yun nag-unay anak. So I learned on it. Ako una ko learn 9 times if na ako yung mananay budget, hindi na ko siya i-delegate. Given na kay content, adding value, hindi na sikat pamaligya. Siyempre no, kung sikat pamaligya, parang makapoy, magpapit mo ang viewers, sikat pamaligya. But you're also giving value sa imong negosyo na kung na may mga comments or mga questions. Okay, please comment below and then we can discuss more. Okay, that's it. See you next time.